This is Showbiz Buzz, and I'm your host, Sika Woman. And know that it's always a pleasure to do this with you guys. Right on here, we talk anything and everything entertainment and showbiz. I had it, you do I give you the gist, it's lifestyle news, political business, international, global. Chede, baby, I sports. Ghana, you know, match, Esha, you be buying, you be shine. Two. A bit two. Investors won't take note so that you will not bleed tomorrow. We don't want any bleeding from any investor tomorrow. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Well, let's move on to our stories. I know the young the camp of music. There's this Grammy, not Grammy nominated. Yeah. Grammy award winning rapper. Chance the Rapper. He's American and he's here in Ghana. Yes, he's here with a whole bunch of American guys. All Ghana had here. He's really enjoying it. While Chance the Rapper, he's been spotted attending a church here in Ghana. Now, American rapper Chance the Rapper is still exploring Ghana to the fullest a few days after he arrived in the country. Now, the acid rap spitter, whose real name is Chancellor Jonathan Bennett, shared a couple of photos on Snapchat detailing the places he has been and relished since he touched down in Accra, Ghana. He alluded most of the things he saw to his grandmother and grandmothers, which symbolize his roots as the son of slaves who were shipped from the shores of Africa to America. Now, in one of the photos, he was spotted in a church while the man of God, who he identified or mentioned as Bishop in Cancer, preached a sermon, and he also posted on Instagram saying, this is Bishop in Cancer. He knew my great grandmother. Now, in another post, a Chance as a rapper disclosed my great grandfather was a Pan Africanist and captain under Marcus Garvey. Yeah. He also shared a photo of a school writing. They built this school in Jamestown as well. They built this school in Jamestown as well. It's no so the rapper is having a good time. When you go on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, you see videos of him drinking coconut juice and doing a whole lot of Ghanaian stuff for Honoma Onye Ago Kra. Now, the rapper took to Twitter to post that he has experienced so many things. He's been everywhere except to see Sarkodie and not awesome. Sarkodie. Now, Ghana's finest rapper Sarkodie seems to like being bossed too much as an American rapper Chance the Rapper cries out for not seeing him as he visits the country. Chance the Rapper has been in Ghana for days and has discovered that his roots come from the country after colleague rapper Vic Mensa urged him to come and have a few. His Instagram page has been flooded with some of the activities he's been engaged in, like attending a church service, his family belt, and also drinking Ghana's coconut juice, and also visiting Kwame Nkrumah Museum. Now, in his latest post on popular microblogging site Twitter, he has announced that he's done almost everything in Ghana except meeting Sarkodie. Now, in his words, I've done everything in Ghana except meet Sarkodie, to which Sarkodie also retweeted and replied that he will be visiting before he gets on that plane. So, maybe, just maybe, just just maybe, there will be a collaboration. Already, we know that Chance the Rapper is already in the studio with Kim Promise and Q Beats. Let's go. We are really keeping our fingers crossed like this, hoping that something comes out of this. Sabri pair be better me free Nazareth, but this one there be pepper ebe free collaboration with Mwaba. We are I know I'm going ahead of myself, but then